everybody, today we are unboxing our Fashom Box from our styling service. Stay tuned to find out what we got. Alright guys, so the little movie magic, I've already opened the box to check it out. And the first thing that you're going to see whenever you get your Fashom Box is the return packaging and label. So this is for if, say, you try on something and you don't like it, or it's the wrong size, or whatever the case may be. Whatever you don't want to purchase, you just send back in this. The shipping's already paid for, and you just ship it back to them, no questions asked. With Fashom, they give you 3 days to try on your clothes, make a decision, and send it back. So that's what that's for. Alright guys, so first up is our floral print shirt by Green Envelope. Alright, so let you see that. Alright, so it's kind of cute there. It's got like a little pickup in the front. Nice blue. The only downside I can see right away is it's kind of see-through. As you can probably see my face through that. But not necessarily a bad thing, just would have to layer it. But yeah, that's pretty cute there. So that's our first one. So that is, looking at our list here. The printed floral top is $43, so not too bad on pricing there. Okay, so the next one up. Okay, this one's actually really cute. I was actually, when I saw this on the app, I was really excited for this one piece. And it's called The Skies Are Blue Wash Knit Casual Blazer in Dark Denim. And here is, let's see if I can do this in a way that you guys can see it better. Let me hear. Might be helpful if I button it to hold it up, right? Alright guys, so that's the blue knit. It's like, it is a denim color, but it's really soft. But they being knit, I always like knit materials, so those are always great. And that one is actually only $48, so $5 more than the lightweight t-shirt, so definitely a good price for a blazer. Alright guys, so we have 3 more to do. Now the first 2 I picked out. Well, I say picked out. They picked out all 8 of them, right? And then so I knocked off the few that I was like definitely at the no. But the rest of them, I was kind of like hit or miss. I saw some aspects of it that I thought were really cute. Other parts I was curious, like how it would work for me. The next one we're gonna do is, okay, so this is a turquoise sweater. I had to really want to say turquoise. They say teal. But anyway. It's a really cute sweater. So this is what I saw. So from the get-go, I knew that there was a cutout in it. What I did not know was how big the cutout was. So I am going to try it on just to see how it fits. But I'm pretty positive that it's not going to be for me. I have 4 kids. The oldest had just turned 16. So this is not exactly what I would pick out for my style, but this was our stylist's first time trying us out, so completely understandable. Anyway, here's the next one. So the next piece is really cute. It's a blush pink sweater, oversized sweater. It's got this kind of lace up pattern, which is kind of interesting. Definitely willing to check that out. Looks like it would do really great with like some leggings or skinny jeans with some boots and stuff, so definitely see why that would be a really good pick. And then finally, the last piece. Now, I will say I'm torn on this one because it looks like it could be cute, and then part of me is like, it's crazy like pattern. But here's the last one. It's this camo sweater. Now it looks like a lot of pattern, so that's where I'm nervous, but it does feel really soft, which is really cool. So definitely excited to try them on. So guys, that was all 5 shirts. So next up, you're going to see a slideshow of the shirts with me trying them on, see how they actually fit. And then afterwards, we're going to debrief and see what we liked and didn't like. So stay tuned. I'll see you after the pictures. Hey guys, so that was our unboxing and our shirt. So if you're here, after all that, I know that you're wanting to find out a little bit more about the company, about my actual opinions on what I liked and didn't like of it, and what getting your first styling is actually like, right? So first and foremost, before I jump into everything about like my commentary and stuff like that on like my stuff, Fashom is an app that you download on your phone. It's really easy. You go in, you fill out your style profile, right? That's the same as all the other services. What makes them stand out is that you actually pick your stylist, which I thought was really cool. So you can pick it based off like what you think their style's like. They have their own profiles, right? Their location. For me, obviously, it really didn't really work for me to pick by location because they're all like located in like populated cities. I guess I don't know how to phrase that, but like I'm in the Midwest, so somebody who lives in New York is not going to have the same style as I would typically. Anyway, but that was really cool. So you get to pick them, like, however you want to pick them, you get to pick your stylist, right? So you don't just get assigned one. And then the other really cool thing is, like, you get to see in the app what they pick for you before they send it. So if there's anything, like, you're just like, yeah, no, you can just not have that sent to you. And then it's sent to your door in the same process. So it's pretty cool like that. So as a whole, I love the concept of Fashom because they really put it, more control back into your hands in your stylist. Instead of just having a stylist assigned to you and the stuff sent to your door, like, you have so much more control over it, which I think is awesome. Okay, so next up, I'm going to actually, before going to my clothing commentary, I will actually tell you about getting your first styling. Okay, your first styling, guys, it's not going to be perfect. This box, honestly, to me, reflects more of what you're going to get as a consumer than probably what you see on a lot of unboxings out there. Because your first style, like, they have to get to know you guys. Like, your profile, yeah, it says a lot. Okay, so it tells you your size. They're going to go get your size, right, because you said your size. You know, they're going to be able to, like, avoid certain patterns they know you don't like or certain whatever. But they're not going to be able to know you perfectly because they've never met you. They haven't had a chance to have a conversation with you. You know, they only learn those things from the feedback you get from, like, styling you and finding out, okay, no, that's definitely not my style, or yeah, I really like this one. Keep focusing on pieces like that. So this box, I will say, I loved two pieces. Well, I'll get into that more. And the other three pieces were so-so. One was a definite no out of those three. That's very realistic. Your first box, you should expect to maybe find one piece you really love and a couple pieces you may like a little bit and probably not the rest, right? That's normal. Okay, so don't get discouraged, guys, when you get your first box and you don't like it all. That's absolutely okay, and that's normal. That's how your stylist is going to get to know you. That's why they do the free returns, because they want to get to know you, they want to style you right, and they want your feedback so that you keep coming back to them, okay? So if you get a box, guys, and you don't like all of it, that's okay. Give your stylist the feedback. Let them know what you liked and didn't like so they can style you better next time. Okay. Alright, guys. So the final part of this video is me telling you what I did and didn't like, right? So, real quickly, the blue blazer I loved. It was perfect in every aspect. Great piece, staple piece for pretty much all year round. It was so comfy, perfect color for my complexion, like dead on. The second piece I actually did love. Everything about was, except for one thing, was the floral print. Like, it was so cute. Perfect color for my skin tone. Love the pattern. I even liked that little pickup thing. I thought it was so cute. The only thing I did not like was the texture. It was definitely not comfy at all. And I'm really big. I'm autistic, so having textures that work for me have to happen. And that was one of those things that just didn't happen for me with that shirt. It was really rough and not soft. That being said, like, I'm still in love with the shirt, so I haven't fully decided what I'm going to do there with that because I absolutely love the shirt. Next up, that pink sweater, the pullover, like, blush pink, so cute. It really was. The only thing I really didn't like, though, was that, like, string thing. Just didn't fit my style. Just wasn't realistically me, but so had it been, like, a regular top, like, regular neckline, I would have been sold in a heartbeat on it. So, definitely really close. The camo, I was shocked. I surprisingly liked how it looked for a lot. I mean, it's still not a go-to pattern of mine, but it was definitely really cute. I guess, like, I do wear camo on occasion. I was surprised because it looked like such big, blotchy patterns, and when I put it on, though, it didn't seem as overwhelming, and it was so soft. Like, I really liked the texture of that one. So that one's a maybe. And then finally, the teal. the teal sweater was just not for me. I'm a mom of 4. I don't really have a need for a shirt that doesn't have a back. Yeah, my oldest is 16, and I really don't think she would even overly appreciate her mom going out wearing that shirt. But so that was definitely something, it was definitely fashion forward, so I thought it was like cool to try on, but just definitely not something for me. So that was my 5 items, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the clothing, the service, any questions you have. Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And make sure that you check out some of our other videos, because that way you can see what we're all about. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye.